there's a car inspired by a single flower. And it costs more than a mansion. Not built for speed, not built for attention, built for emotion. So, how far would you go to turn a personal story into a one-of-one car? Welcome to the Rolls-Royce Droptail La Rose Noire. This isn't just rare, this is almost unreal. Only a few people on the planet will ever own a Droptail. And this specific one, La Rose Noire, is inspired by a rare black rose. Yeah, a car inspired by a flower. Let that sink in. In 2026, when brands are chasing performance numbers and tech headlines, Rolls-Royce went in the opposite direction. They focused on storytelling. Look at the design. The deep red exterior changes shades depending on light. Almost like the petals of a rose opening. The rear deck, handcrafted wood, shaped with insane precision. This isn't mass production. This is art on wheels. Even someone like Jay-Z, who's known for owning some of the rarest cars ever, would fit perfectly into something like this. Because this isn't about flexing. It's about legacy. So tell me, would you want a car that's fast, or a car that tells your story? Now step inside, and everything changes. This might be one of the most detailed interiors ever created. Over 1,000 pieces of wood veneer, carefully arranged to create a rose-like pattern across the cabin. Think about that. Not printed, not designed digitally. Hand-assembled. In a world where everything is automated in 2026, this car goes fully human. And here's something crazy. The watch integrated into the dashboard, it's removable. You can literally take it out and wear it. So now your car and your watch are one. Would you ever expect something like that from a car? Now performance. And honestly, that's not even the focus here. But still, you get a powerful V12 engine delivering smooth, effortless performance. Not aggressive, not loud, just enough to remind you. This is still a Rolls-Royce. Because this car isn't trying to win races. It's trying to outlive them. So what matters more to you? Speed that fades? Or craftsmanship that lasts forever? Now let's talk price. This is where it gets insane. We're talking around $30 million. That puts it in a completely different universe. But here's the truth. You're not paying for the car, you're paying for something no one else can ever have. In 2026, when everything is becoming more accessible, this is the ultimate form of exclusivity. If you had unlimited money, would you buy something like this? Or would you still go for multiple supercars instead? The Rolls-Royce Droptail, La Rose Noire proves one thing. Luxury isn't about having more. It's about having something no one else can touch. And hey, if you're into cars that feel more like art than machines, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who thinks cars are just about speed. And tell me in the comments, would you spend $30 million on a car like this? Or is that just crazy? And I will see you in the next one.